You are nothing but unorganized, grabastic pieces of amphibian. You are nothing but unorganized, grabastic pieces of amphibian shit.
That ain't no shit neither. That ain't no shit neither.
You are nothing but unorganized, grabastic pieces of amphibian shit. I am Gunnery Sergeant Hartman, your senior drill instructor.
What is that, Private Pyle?
Sir, jelly donuts, sir.
A jelly donut?
You are nothing but unorganized, grabastic pieces of amphibian shit.
Now let me see your war face.
Ah!
Bullshit! You didn't convince me. Let me see your real war face. Ah! You don't scare me. Work on it.
Go easy, man.